Welcome to this tutorial on toilet flapper replacement. By replacing a worn flapper, you will conserve water and save money on utilities. First, turn the water off behind the toilet. Then open the tank lid to see what's going on. Flush to remove the water. As you can see, this flapper is pretty degraded. Using chlorine in your toilet tank can cause this. Next, remove your old flapper. As you're doing this, look at the size of the opening that it's covering. You'll need this information when you go to the store to purchase a new flapper. The rule of thumb is that a 2-inch hole looks about the size of a baseball, while the 3-inch looks about the size of a softball. If in doubt, you can measure or take the old flapper to the store with you. You will find a replacement at most hardware stores. Attach the new one at the opening first. Since toilets come in various sizes and shapes, you will need to adjust the length of the chain. If you don't, the toilet won't flush. Approximate the length of chain necessary to keep the tank drain closed when the flush lever is down, but will open when the lever is raised. Remove the clip from the end of the chain and place it on the appropriate link. You may choose to remove the extra links with wire cutters to prevent any future tangling. Check your handiwork while the tank is still empty so you can easily make any adjustments. Turn the water back on at the base to refill the tank. Once the tank is full, flush to make sure there aren't any problems before returning the tank lid. This concludes the toilet flapper replacement tutorial.